So what is a positive pregnancy blood test? So we all know to detect a pregnancy, to confirm a pregnancy, the most commonly available test is a urine pregnancy test, which is very simple. You can get the pregnancy kit to the home and check the urine sample and confirm whether you're pregnant or not. So likely blood test is also done to see if you are pregnant or not. So whenever a woman becomes pregnant, beta HCG levels, they are the hormones, keep on increasing in the blood and the urine sample. So whenever you want to confirm the pregnancy, so you can test the beta HCG levels. Once the woman is positive pregnancy, these beta HCG levels keep on increasing. So even before your next period comes, after the implantation, beta HCG levels, serum beta HCG levels are very sensitive. So we can detect this pregnancy positivity early. In a normal healthy pregnancy, usually the beta HCG levels keeps on doubling in 48 to 72 hours. But sometimes the beta HCG levels drop down and they don't double. So in such situations, we have to suspect if there is any ectopic pregnancy or if there is any failure of pregnancy and if there is any biochemical pregnancy.